Okay, so you are looking right now how you can only search for search and destroy in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first you want to click on multiplayer, followed by find a match. Now different options appear. We want to focus on quick play, find a match. If you hover over find a match, on the right you have different filter options. Click on filter and now all the game modes appear. Just deselect all unwanted game modes and now you can click on find a match on the top here or go back and click here on find a match. The same is for hardcore. Click on filter, then on the top you have core and hardcore. Click on hardcore and deselect all unwanted game modes and click on find a match on the top, and now you're searching only for hardcore search and destroy. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.